Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiara Tashe back with another video. Welcome to all the new followers, and if you're not new, hey family. Today I'll be doing a DIY aloe vera mask for you guys today, just showing you what I do. Like maybe once a month or every 2 weeks I'll do an aloe vera mask treatment for my hair. The first thing I'll do is always cut off the very ends, just because you don't really need that and you want to get the main part of the aloe vera plant. But I will, in the very end of cutting this plant, I will go back and use the excess gel that's in it, okay? So the next thing that you would like to do is cut it in half again, and then start to cut off the spiky ridges on the side of the aloe vera plants. Be very careful, they are spiky and they can cut you. I did it before when I first did my first hair mask video. But yeah, just make sure you be careful when you're doing that, and that'll help make it easier to cut the plant as you go along. Look at the consistency of the plant. Like, it is very slimy and jelly-like, just for the people that haven't used the aloe vera plant before. My hands didn't look slippery, but trust me, I was struggling to cut this for this video. So I will be using my Ninja cup to blend all the aloe vera gel in. So I will be putting my product in that cup, so when it's time for me to blend all my ingredients for the mask, everything will be already in the cup and I can just go ahead and twist it on. A few key points about aloe vera is that it soothes the scalp and conditions your hair. I mean, it's good for hair loss, it treats dandruff, and it promotes a very good hair growth. And that's why a lot of females and males use aloe vera in their deep conditioning treatments, because it makes your hair shiny, it gives your hair moisture. Like aloe vera, when I found out about it, it was the best thing that I could have found out about. Literally, like, plants we use can be used for our hair. Like, it's insane. And I love the fact that it's so conditioning, and really what gets me is the definition that the aloe vera deep conditioner gives me, the definition and the moisture that retains even after I wash it out. Amazing. So I have jojoba oil, which helps moisturizes the hair. It's rich in vitamins that nourish the hair, and it helps also with hair loss and strengthens the hair as well. I also have Jamaican black castor oil, which helps thicken and strengthen your hair to promote hair growth, also with breakage and an itchy scalp. Lastly, I have my extra virgin olive oil, which helps gives my hair shine and moisture, but also it strengthens my hair so that it can penetrate my hair shaft as well. So now that my aloe vera mask is blended fully and completely, I have this strainer to the left of the video where I'm going to use to put in my mason jar to store it. I'm probably not going to have anything left over. I don't know why I decided to put it in a mason jar, just because I thought I was going to have a lot, but it's really not that much, and I don't really have a lot of hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my mason jar ready, and then put the mush so I can strain out any extra pulp that I don't need in my aloe vera mask. Okay guys, so this was the final product of the aloe vera hair mask. I used it right after I made this video. If you don't want to use it right then and there, you can store it in the refrigerator in a mixing jar or whatever you feel is fit. And I used some extra aloe vera juice. So this is the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your girl video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.